Good morning, I'm Paula.
I'm Lara.
I'm Edna.
And we are students of second of ECD, and we are going to explain how different factors affect the speed of a chemical process.
First, we have to know that a chemical reaction occurs when the particles of the reactants collide.
So, if we can increase the number of collisions between particles, the reaction rate will be higher.
Today, we are going to explain how temperature and reaction's nature area affect the reaction rate.
To study this, we are going to use the chemical reaction between chalk and vinegar that produce carbon dioxide, an easy to visualize gas.
We measure 40 milliliters of vinegar with a colligated cylinder and we put it in a Lermeyer flask immersed in a crystallizer with hot water, and we leave other at a room temperature.
We put the chalks in two party balloons and put over the mouth of the Lermeyer flask. At the same time, we pour the contents of each balloon and we observe what happens.
We can observe that the reaction is faster in the Lermeyer at higher temperature, and we can see that this balloon swells first. The reason is that the particles move with more energy and they collide more times.
This is the reason why we put food at the fridge. At a lower temperature, oxidation reaction occurs at a lower speed, and food stays longer without rotting.
In the second place, we study the influence of the reactants.
To do this, we weigh 8 grams of ground chalk in a watch glass and 8 grams of sodium bicarbonate in another. We put them in two party balloons and adjust them over the mouth of two Lermeyer flasks with 40 milliliters of vinegar each.
At the same time, we pour the content of each balloon to the Lermeyer and we observe what happens.
We can observe that the reaction that has bicarbonate is faster because the balloon swells first. So the nature of the reactants is very important to the reaction rate.